Hello dear friends, I hope you can see my video. See, it is the machine, circular knit machine. And first of all, see, receiving the yarn from the spinning mill, it is coming here. It is set up here using creel machine. This creel machine is actually it's particularly aluminum stick, and there is cone holder. Using this cone holder, yarn is set up like this way. See here, creel with cone holder. So all the yarn is coming this way, and the yarn is set up using this creel. Then from this creel, yarn is going this pipe. It is called tube, or you can say aluminum telescope tube. It's called. Through this pipe, it is going to the feeder. See, this is tube, and it is actually, but through this tube, yarn is passed, and it reaches the yarn to the positive feeder. It is the filament. See, the round one is white. The filament. If it is lacquer fabric, filament is required. So filament is set up here. Then it is the feeder, positive feeder. Positive feeder is a really important part, and it is actually consists a number of device like it consists a winding wheel, then drive and pulley, sensor, or like this, and the wheel keeps some yarn in its core. That's what it's called positive feeder, and it fits the yarn to the needle. Now it is see yarn guide. The yarn is coming from that positive feeder here. Yarn guide. If we can through yarn is this one is yarn. That's the thicker, the thinner one is filament. Filament is going there. The round it's this round hole that is go there. Lacquer is going there, and yarn guide is taking the yarn. It's a lacquer guide. See, lacquer guide is in the bottom round hole. Closely yarn guide is here. See the yarn guide closely I are showing. And feeder guide also here are trying to show closely, and it is a needle. If you can see needle, the top part, the I mean top, the upper part is the needle, and in the lower part here it is that is sinker. And this is cam. This is cam box. See, lots of cam box here. And here this is a needle and sinker, both are showing. Yeah, needle, the top part, it is the top, it is set up already needle, and the right side if I go you will get the sinker. This is sinker. Sinker is also important part. It is another master part actually, you can say, and it supports yarn to get the desired loop. And another important thing is that it is located. The sinker is located at the each and every gap of the needles. It is cam. See cam. Yeah, I discussed there are three type of cam. I know miss cam, tuck cam, and knit cam. If you have my last session video, that would get clear. More, it would be more clear. And here, see the needle and cam box setting is going on. One important thing is that see after setting up, cam box would be fixed and inside the cam. And whenever the cylinder will move, needle would go down and up, and it would be started like this. It is the needle is set up here. It is important part of a knit machine, that is pulley. Pulley is also called so it actually controls the quality of the uh, fabric, adjusting the GSM and this length. I mean, in shortly we can say SL. I mean, adjusting SL and GSM, it controls the fabric. That's why it is also called QAP. I mean, it is called quality adjustment pulley. Now see after knitting over, it is going down. It's the down part of the machine. And first of all here, if you see, that is spreader. The first part of the down level is spreader, the spreading the fabric. Then down the spreader, that is take down roller. It is taking the fabric down. Then from the take down roller, it is going down. That is winding roller. Winding roller is it is taking fabric from the take down roller. So that's the total process. And after getting the takedown roller, the fabric will, after completing the fabric, knitting machine will be up, and the fabric would get out. Just be Oh, it is one yarn dyed order. That's why it is see white and orange. Both yarn are here. So to get yarn dyed here. See, this is gray fabric is ready and it is getting out. It is for the solid fabric. That's why it is solid. Oh, one color. See now, after completing the knitting from the winding roller, the fabric is getting out, and then it is gray fabric is inspection is going on. After getting the fabric, gray fabric, it need to do the inspection because there's some problem. So if there is problem, there needs some rectification or needs cancel some portion or some part of the fabric. Then after the inspection, if the fabric is okay and it is going to do the pack, see the pack, and this packing is going on actually before the delivery of the fabric to the dyeing section for the dyeing. That's all actually, dear friends. So if you see my last session and this session, and if you try to understand combinedly, it would be clear to you about the total knitting process, and you must be the master of total knitting process. So dear friends, thanks.